The Reports feature allows you to run and save and schedule reports on your data. To access, click on the Reports tab. Now, this link will run a preset report that will give you a quick snapshot of all your activity for the month. But if you want to create your own custom report, you can do that by clicking Create a New Report. So let's take a look at some of the settings here. First of all, you'll need to choose the creation date. You can choose a specific date range by entering a from and to date, or you can choose from one of the preset options. And if you're creating a report that you plan on running on a schedule, make sure that you choose one of these 4 preset options. You can also run the report on all users, or you can filter by specific users by adding them like this. And you can also remove users like this. The same with groups. You can filter by specific groups, adding them or removing them like this. And I'm going to select all users for this report. The same goes for documents. You can choose all documents, or you can filter by specific documents in your library. And this will run the report on transactions that were sent using these documents. And I'm going to choose all documents. You can further filter by including or excluding certain search terms in the document. And you can choose to see your data with or without any MegaSign transactions included by checking or unchecking this box. You can also adjust your performance goals, which will change the thresholds for the green and yellow in your gauges at the top of the report. So set this depending on your own internal, departmental, or organizational goals. Finally, down here, you can choose to include graphs by date, sender, group, form, and signature type. And I'm going to leave all of these checked and then click on Run Report. So here's the report, and I've run this on sample data, so your report will look very different to this one. This gives you a quick overview or a graphical snapshot of your data. Now let's look at some of the options available to us now that we've created the report. We can save it by clicking Save, typing a name, and then clicking Save Report. You can also share the report by entering one or more email addresses here and use a comma to separate out multiple email addresses. Enter a message if you want and then click on Share Report, and then the recipients will get an email with a link to the report that they can view in their web browser. You can also schedule a report to run daily, weekly, or monthly, and you can specify the exact time and day of the month that you want the report to run. And you can also have scheduled reports immediately be shared with one or more recipients. Again, just enter the email address in a message and click on Save Schedule.